Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to see the messages for Taurus. So if you're a Taurus, watch this video. If you're dealing with the Taurus, watch this video. If you love me, watch this video. Alright, so let's see messages for Taurus for the remaining days of August 2021. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, link is in the description. Also, if you want to buy crystals from me, authentic original crystal like this is a rose quartz rock. We have crystal balls like this. Currently I'm shipping in India, anywhere, and there are so many other things. I provide crystals for healing, all right, so like the amethyst for addictions, and then we have the pendants and all of that. So yeah, if you're interested to get crystal pendants, bracelets, rocks, balls, and etc., hit me up in the Instagram and I will let you know. All right, so now let's see messages for Taurus. Taurus. First, let's take a general message and like career and finance, and then we'll go to your love reading. All right, so messages for Taurus for career and finance, please. What is up with the Taurus? World card. This is beautiful. All right, I'm so happy to see the world card right off the bat. Okay, blockages 5 of Wands. Cool. Wow, this Taurus, making money. Transfer some to my PayPal, all right? psychicgem.co@gmail.com. That's my PayPal. Just give it to me. All right, anyway. Now, first of all, let's see your messages for your career and finance. We have King of Pentacles. I don't have to say much. I see your money improving. I see some sort of recognition coming in, some sort of stability coming in your money. It's like a major thing. So King of Pentacles is not a Page of Pentacles thing, or it is not 2 of Pentacles or 3 of Pentacles. It's the fucking King of Pentacles, which shows a massive upgrade in your finance, which is to come towards you. All right, so that is that. In the current energy, also with the world card, I see you are in a very good, very winning position when it comes to career. I see you're exploring new things. You're doing new things, and it's going to basically add a lot of course, abundance. We are seeing that for you in the near future, but it's also going to add to a lot of exposure. All right, some of you might also be traveling for career, or maybe an opportunity from abroad or a distant land can basically come. If you're looking for an opportunity, like if you're looking for a job if you're like in a job situation, then I see you will be getting in a job situation which will be much better than your expectation. All right, so things are just basically turning for you. Some of you, I also feel that you basically completed a chapter in your career or finance, so maybe something just came to an end. But the good thing is that much better and beautiful thing is also starting up for you. All right, because world card is a card of completion. So it's like something came to an end, but something very beautiful is also starting. But whatever came to an end was also not very difficult. I see that maybe you started a project, or you started like a career thing, and you completed something, and now you're moving on to new and better things. I also see in the recent times you might have had a conflict with somebody. So maybe somebody was trying to create unnecessary drama in your career or finance situation. So you were maybe battling a legal situation, or maybe it was just like some other situation, you know. It's like many people were just basically trying to gang up against you, and they were trying to put you down. So maybe that happened recently. For others of you, I see this could be your own inner conflict. So it's like you have so many ideas going on in your mind right now, like you want to do this, then you want to do that, then you want to do that. So it's like a conflict is happening, and right now you are confused. All right, it's like you're doing good, but you're confused. Maybe you want to up level your life, and you're confused as to which idea is going to take you to this King of Pentacles energy. So right now you're figuring out between different things. All right, so maybe that could be that. But however, I see that finally you are going to get that clarity of thoughts, and I see you're going to reach to a King of Pentacles, very stable energy when it comes to your money situation. I also see a new money making opportunity coming towards you. So maybe you get an idea and you make more money, or maybe like a business thing of yours just go really well. All right, so something about money and upgradation to a very massive level is what I see. And for people who are looking for a job, I see you're going to get a very stable position, which is going to pay you much better than your previous job. All right, now let's see your love situation, Taurus. Give me the present energy. 7 of Wands. What is up? 5 of Swords. What the fuck? What is happening? What is happening, Taurus? hold on. All right, this is beautiful. This King of Cup has been showing in your love situation for some time now. Who is this King of Cups? Taurus. Who is this cutie that you're dealing with? There is someone. There is definitely someone. All right, Five of Pentacles. Ooh. All right. Okay. So Taurus, what I see again, money, honey. I see money improving. Some of you will also be getting married. So I see like a be all end all situation, because 10 of Pentacles is marriage and generation and etc. Right? So it's like, what do we say? Joint family situation, right? Like 3-4 generations living together, that kind of thing. All right. Anyway, we'll see. We'll come to that later on. So in the present position, when it comes to love, the 7 of Wands, what I see is that you're having a conflict with somebody. Now, it need not be a legit conflict. For some of you, it can be. For others of you, I just see it's like you say something and your partner says something else, and then, you know, you have a difference of opinion. And both of you have ego issues, so nobody's trying to put their foot down. So because of that, the situation is in problem. All right. And I see that you are seeking to have a resolution in the situation. You don't want to fight with this person necessarily. You want things to settle down, but you are not ready to put your foot down, and you are not ready to basically back down, right? You will be giving a fight to this person, a tough fight, but you just want this person to not fight with you. You know, it's like Taurus, you are like, don't fight with me, I will not fight with you, but if you fight with me, then I'm gonna fight with you. You know, did you understand? Or shall I repeat? I think you understood, right? So that is that. It's like you don't want to fight, but if somebody fights with you, you're going to fight back. That kind of situation. So you want this person to resolve the issue with you and not fight with you. What is a problem in the situation? 5 of Swords. I see some sort of cheating happen, betrayal happen, or I just see that your person has a problem of lying. All right. So this person, they can never say the truth. That's the problem. Like they all, you know, even if they want to say the truth, they still try to, you know, mix and match things, and they still try to drag things. They still try to create unnecessary conflict, drama. Like this person, this bitch here likes drama, unnecessary drama, right? So that is a problem. This person not being very upfront with you is a major concern. All right. The second message that I'm channeling here is that you came out of a toxic situation, toxic love situation, and that is why when it comes to love, you're very closed off, because you had a very toxic past when it comes to love. So you are not able to trust anybody. So two messages. Either you're dealing with someone who's very stubborn and this person is not giving up, you're not giving up, and you are having fight. So that could be one situation. For others of you, I see that you had a very toxic situation in love, probably with a fire sign or an air sign. And I see after that, it is very difficult for you to trust anybody again. So every time somebody tries to come up with a love situation, you kind of, you know, get scared and you close yourself down. What is your conscious goal? I see that you want to come out of this situation. You want to just come out of this petty situation. I see that all of this has been very burdening for you, right? Like living in this lack mindset, always being very paranoid of what somebody will think about me, or what is this person thinking about me? Are they cheating on me? Like that anxiety that you keep on building for yourself, you just want to come out of it. Like you don't want to stay stuck in your life, and you want to come out of this. All right. Some of you, you're also having health issues. It could be a leg problem or a backache problem. So just take care of that. And you just want to find a solution to your existing problem. Like that is your only concern right now. Some of you, you're also having financial crunch right now, but don't worry, you got the King of Pentacles, everything is fine, don't have to worry about it. With the 10 of Wands, I see that things are going to become better for you, but it's going to happen over time, so some time is required. And I see that not a lot. I see that you have already worked hard for a very long time. You have been working on this situation for some 10 weeks maybe. You are just about to reach the destination, but it's like you are so overburdened by so many things, you're not able to see the opportunities. Like you have just taken on your plate more than you can chew. I see these days you are trying to please a lot of people, and you're taking other people's burden on you, and because of that you're overburdened. You are playing everybody's part in this situation, in this relationship. Also, I see that you were doing your part and the other person's part, and that kind of got to you. All right, so stop doing that. Stop overburdening yourself with so much going on, or even if you're doing it, like just freaking take some breaks. All right, your incoming influence is the King of Cups. So I see a love offer coming towards you, especially from a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and this person could be like a sugar daddy. Yeah. Ace of Cups. a water sign is in your future, or this person has some major water placements. Like, just go and check their chart. They might be having water somewhere, sun, moon, or rising. So I see somebody with water sign placements, or somebody with like very water like, you know, like characteristic. Like, this person is very emotional. This person is very they could be sugar daddy, like not in a bad way, like in a good way. Like, this person likes to take care of you. They like paying for you. They like pampering you. That kind of person is in your future. And you know, Ace of Cups with the King of Cups is somebody who wants to get married to you. I see this connection is going to start off as friends. So I see you guys are already friends, and now it is going to develop into something more and more beautiful. And I see a lot of emotional talks happening between you both. Like, this person might also tell you things like you are the only one that understands them. So they are like very family oriented person, or they just like being emotional. Like, even though they are a guy, they want to be, they are more on the emotional side. And for men watching this, I see your girl is very emotional, and she thinks that you are the sugar daddy. So yeah, I see somebody is looking for a future with you. Like, you are trying to close yourself off to things, but this person is looking for future with you. Let's see their intentions towards you. Emperor, definitely. This person wants to be your daddy. Or if it's a guy watching this, then yeah, again, they want to be your daddy, or they want you to be the daddy. I don't know, something about that. With the Emperor, again, I see this person is looking for a long-term connection. This person is not here to like have the fuck boy, fuck girl centric situation. No, this person is here for long-term, and I see somebody sees that you are long-term potential, and they would like to have a connection with you, like a marriage thing. All right, this person also wants to take care of you. They want to take responsibility of you and whatsoever. Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, this person wants to nurture the connection with you, and they are ready to take it slow. They are ready to wait for you. This person is also making plans as to how will they reach out to you. This person here has a lot of love. Like, this person has been waiting for a very long time for you to make your mind so that you guys can be together. This is beautiful. Like, you got the best reading. Beautiful. So, oopsie. Three of Swords. But you are hurt over something. It's like some sort of past hurt, or some sort of past mistake of this person is not letting you believe this person. But they want to have a new beginning with you, and you are not ready to give up. Like, you are not ready to give in. You are ready to give up, and this person wants to nurture the connection with you. Some of you have two people. So maybe that's why you're taking time. I see you're not paying attention to this connection as much. Some of you might have already told no to this person, or you're thinking to say no. You're like, you might just straightforward tell them no, or you might just tell them things like, I want some more time. So it's like, I don't know what the hell are you doing, but this person is head over heart. Sorry, heart over head. They love you. They have a lot of emotions with you. And this person is an old person. Like, this is not a new person. You have known each other for some time. And I see this is like a friendship converting to relationship, or like a childhood something, childhood love. You might have met them in college, school, or something like that. I don't know. What's going to be the outcome here though? Queen of Pentacles, yeah, baby. Marriage. Marriage is the outcome here. Ace of Wands, wow. Wow, the Empress. Some of you, you're going to be pregnant, so it's like you're going to have kids with this person. Or even if you're a guy, then obviously again you'll have kids. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles and Empress, it's basically the same energy. First of all, I see your money improving. Again, I know it's a relationship reading, but your money keeps popping. And I see that this connection definitely has a stable potential, and it has a potential for marriage. So it's not like a fuck boy, fuck girl centric situation. It is a marriage thing. You have a hard time trusting this person, or you have a hard time trusting love, relationships concept, but this person is going to make you fall in love, like true love. Like, you might be contemplating whether this person is a true love or not, but they are. They're going to convince you, and you will get convinced. I see that for sure. All right, give me a message for Taurus, please. Soulmate. This person is your soulmate. I know some of you, yeah, give your relationship a chance. I see that you also know that this person is a soulmate, so that's why they never leave your life. They keep coming back. As I said, this person could be a childhood love, or you've known each other before. So this person keeps popping into your life. No matter how much you try to move away or do your own thing, they keep showing back in your life. You guys will end up together. That's my prediction. Communication is the key. See, this person wants to communicate with you. They want to talk more. You're trying to push them away. A time to give rather than to take. So maybe try to give some attention to this person rather than taking all the attention. You're already taking a lot of attention. Also, if you're doing really well in your money, or when you will do very well in your money, like in the future, like when you get to that stable position, start donating as well. All right, when you donate, it always comes back to you tenfolds. If you don't already know, let me tell that. It's law of reciprocity. All right, so yeah, with that, it's a very beautiful reading. I don't have much to say. Just see somebody being very, very persistent to have you in their life, and this person is going to convince it. This person will convince you. They will succeed in convincing you, is what I see. So yeah, with that, it's a wrap. I will see you next week. You guys take care. Bye.